following me. You. And you want to come back out for another pet? So friendly. Yeah. You're just like a dog, aren't you? This goat has followed me all the way down the hill, just like a dog, and he's put his head out for me to pat him. It's just so friendly. And here, let's see. Here's some information about Boer goats. Originally bred for meat production in South Africa in the early 1900s, the Boer settlers, Boer means farmer, probably crossed the European goats with South African ones to get their distinctive, muscular, meaty build. Their mixed breeding has made them tough and they very rarely get ill. They can live in harsh environments, so they're a good farming choice on land that is too poor to grow crops. The Boer goat is a short-legged, stocky animal that comes in a variety of chocolate and white combinations. Their tails are perky and stand up, unlike sheep whose tails droop down. They like to eat with their heads up to keep an eye out for predators. They're very docile, which makes them easy to handle and great for pets. Oh my goodness, yes you are. You're just like a dog. Very friendly. How did I get here? And go. This is a bit about this goat. How did I get here? Land crop first imported embryos in 1989, but it took a few years before they were satisfied that there were no diseases that were going to cause trouble for New Zealand. The first Boer goats were farmed in the 90s. Conservation status. Boer goats are rare. Did you know a fully grown male buck Boer goat can weigh 100 kg? Habitat. Dry farmland. Diet. Browsers. They eat grass, leaves, flowers, shrubs and browse on low-hanging trees. Gestation 150 to 180 days. Lifespan 15 to 18 years. Oh my goodness, I didn't know that. Predators. Jackals. Well, they've got no predators here in New Zealand. They decide who's boss by butting heads.